In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Street View on the computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open a new tab. And as you can see, this is my Chrome browser. And to go to Maps, you can basically hit these 9 boxes over here, the Google apps. And as you can see, here is the Maps app. But you can also just search for Maps. And then you can go to Google Maps over here. So I opened Maps like this, and we can go to a random location that is supported by Street View, for example New York City over here. And as you can see, here are a lot of streets, and you can see any street with Street View on Google Maps. So what you want to do, you want to go to the right down corner over here. You want to pick this person and just hold your mouse, and as you can see, all these streets that are available turned blue. So as you can see, here's Columbus Park. If I drop it, just leave your finger off your mouse, just like this. As you can see, now we be dropped in this street. Oh, that didn't go well. Just like this is what I meant. As you can see, now I am in Chinatown, and I am using Street View in New York. So if this video helped you out to use Google Street View on the computer, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.